What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Went out today, went to the local lake, see if we could catch some bass. I want to go back to Chickamauga, but I got some friends coming into town, so I only had a short period of time to fish. But I wanted to mess with some camera angles and mess with some stuff and check. I have a GoPro extension pole that I've had forever, and I want to try that. And I put it on there. It gives me a higher angle above my shoulder because the last video where I was at Chickamauga, I was using the gooseneck. And a lot of people liked that angle, and I actually liked it myself. So I wanted to mess around with it a little bit. But unfortunately, this thing is it's made of aluminum, and my chair, I never realized how loud my chair was until this video. But when I move, it kind of absorbs the sound up the pole, and you can hear it, and it's god-awful. So I either have two choices. I could keep using the gooseneck, which is kind of plastic and absorbs that sound, or I need to find some way to dampen the sound of my chair. Which I've got a few ideas, and I'm going to mess around and see if I can't quieten it up and make it not so loud. Because I really like this extension with this. But we'll see. We'll mess around. I'm still messing around with camera angles. I didn't shoot an intro because I only had a short period of time to fish. And I didn't even know if I was going to catch anything. And I really just want to mess around with the camera angles and see if I can find a new way of doing things. So, all right, guys, let's just jump in this video and see what we do. We'll see what we catch. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all for watching. There's one. There's a fish. Little bass sitting right there on the bank. Come up, smash it. No, it's not a bad bass. It's not a bad spot. Might be a largemouth. No, I think it's a spot. It is a spot. Look at that little spot, guys. God, he's skinny. He is punster. Boy, you gotta eat something. I guess you were trying to eat and I done tricked you. It's a spot. What's a big mouth spot? It's like a hybrid. That's a largemouth spot. It's got a toothy patch, but boy, it's got a big mouth. Guess because it's just so skinny. Such a little fish. Let him go. Man, that fish has seen better days. Oh, come on. Damn it. There we go. Dear Lord. Come out of there. Look at that. Damn it, son. That was my luck. I'm glad I didn't break the bill off that thing. No, but I broke the tip off my rod. I broke the insert. I got a way of fixing it. What I do is I take some epoxy and I'll just put around it a little bit. Some fly hardening epoxy. It creates a smooth surface and it won't mess it up. Maybe I'll make a video of that and show you all that later. Especially in that tip, because the only way you can really replace it is taking that whole tip off, and I'll lose that much of my rod and it's just doesn't look right. But I can epoxy that, fix it, because all you want it to be is just smooth, you know. fish. Finally got a good one. Feels good. It's not too bad. It's not huge or nothing, but he's not bad. I've been fishing for a while, just trying to find some fish. It's not been easy. All these fish I've caught today have been pretty thin. They look hungry. Oh my God. I'm not even really, it wasn't even pointed up. Ah, Lord. Well, guys, we got this little guy. But yeah, nice little largemouth. He was sitting right over there. Got him with that jerkbait. Been fishing. Let's let him go. Let's put him back. Hey, buddy. Caught a few. Well, that sucks. My camera, see, that's why it's a little too far back. But if I put it down here, it's at a bad angle. I forget stuff. It's all good. Looks like the big one's sitting right over there. Chill. Yeah, I guess I was right. There is one sitting over there. God, he's little. He's a little bitty guy. Look at that. He's as big as a jerkbait. I don't even know if we get him off here right and tearing me up. He's as big as a jerkbait is. And this is a genuine ditch pickle right here. Look at that guy. Woo! Dang it, dude. What are you doing? Yeah. Pissed off. He's little. I got him. He's bleeding a little bit. He ain't bleeding too bad. Alright, let's just let this guy go. He's as big as a bait is. That was a tiny. Let's just be awake. I'll get another one sitting over here. Can't believe I didn't have my camera pointed right. There's a fish. There he is. I knew there's more sitting back there. Another little weird looking bass. That little spot. Another little spotted bass. Big fat spotted bass though. Pretty little fish. Is that a spot? Yeah, it's a spot. Little fat spot. Look at him. He's back here eating all these little bait. I've been seeing bait jump everywhere. Little fish. Let him go. Caught a few little ones. Super big or nothing. He's nailed that one. Got stuck. He's fighting. Got it. Fish is digging. Nice spot, guys. It's a real nice spot. I'm moving up shallow now. Fish is hooked 100 different ways. Alright guys, I still have my headphones. I like to wear those when I'm going across the lake and stuff to all that wind, but that's a nice spot. Nice, but best fish we got today for sure. But man, that's a good fish. I got snagged a little bit and I popped it. As soon as I jerked it, he just come out of those trees and fired on it. Nice spot. He's about 1.5 pounds. Fighting fish though, man. These guys fight so hard. So much fun. Best fish we got today. He's been through a lot. I'm gonna let him go. See, buddy. God, look at their teeth are so sharp. Man, they're sharp. It just bounced out of there. I pulled it, popped it off there. That reaction of that thing popping out of there just set him off. Well, we caught a few today, guys. We got that big one and then that one. I mean, it might turn out to be kind of curious what this video is going to turn out like, because I keep forgetting my camera setups and it's just been kind of funky, but it is what it is. Normally I'll pitch and flip this area, but messed the button up on this, so I ain't been using this. Like all my gears is getting wore out so much faster than it should. So much faster than it should. This ain't even tangled up. Makes me wonder with him hitting. I mean, he hit that like as it popped over that log. I mean, he just nailed it. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. Hey, ba-da-da-da-da-da. Oh, there's one. Oh, come on, grab it. He's in the stick. Come out there, stick boy. Come out there, big fishy. Ha. Oh, I got him. Monkey hook. Come out there. Swatted at it. I got him. Only have one hook behind him in the gill. Get you all straightened up. Look at that, boy. Another little spotted bass. God, he's got sharp teeth. Best, well, not the best one we got, but he's a good one. He's another decent little spot. Little couch potato. Look at him, little fat guy. We're gonna let him go. See you later, buddy. Caught him run off over here. Might be some more right there. Jerkbait is paying dividends today, boys. It's starting to work like it's supposed to. I was waiting. I was like, man, it is late. Normally it starts working a lot earlier, but this year it's not been working right up here. Well, guys, that is that. Today wasn't so bad. We caught a few decent bass. We got that one good one, really. I mean, we got one real good one and a bunch of pickles. But other than that, I mean, it wasn't that bad a day. I'd really getting here today, I had like zero confidence. I really didn't think I was going to catch anything due to the fact that it was so cold last night. And then it's just the weather, man. The weather has just been so crappy here lately. It's like jump up and down, jump up and down. This has been, God, it's been rough. But as always, I'll see y'all guys later. Y'all guys take it easy. I'm going to get off the water. I'm going to go get me a sandwich. And I'm hungry. And I'm going to fix the tip of that rod. So, all right, guys, let's go.